Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use this monkey face effect on TikTok. If you're new here, then please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So this effect basically turns you into a monkey. As you can see, you have a human who has a monkey face. And some parents are doing this trend with their kid. You can get some good reaction from your toddler or from your child. So let me show you how to find this effect and how to use it. So first you want to open up your TikTok app. Next you want to tap on the plus sign here at the bottom. Then tap on effects. Now tap on search. Here you're searching for monkey face. And in the search results you're looking for this one here, the third one, monkey face. Go ahead and tap on that. Now once you do that, the filter will activate right away. As you can see, it's turned my face into a monkey. So go ahead and record your video using this monkey effect. And that is how to use the monkey face effect on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.